Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 905 Allens Creek Road, an updated historic house and garden gem in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular waterfront property on beautiful Allens Creek. So let's take a tour.
This home has timeless elegance right from this beautiful foyer, with a leaded glass entry, crown molding, and hardwood floors, leading to a designer kitchen with custom wood mode cabinetry, granite countertops, high-end appliances, and a spacious eat-in area with a gas stove and scenic views. An expansive dining room with wainscoting and a gorgeous fireplace. And a spacious living room with a spectacular new wood-burning fireplace, built-ins, and porch access, all with creek views. The first floor also features an entertainment-sized family room with a wet bar, heated tile floors, and an adjacent powder room, perfect for hosting parties, plus an office or potential first floor laundry. While the second floor features its own living area, leading to 5 bedrooms and 3 updated bathrooms, including a spacious master suite with cathedral ceilings, a walk-in closet, and an elegant spa bathroom, all with those creek views.
This spectacular traditional home has been thoughtfully designed with additions and updates. The attention to detail is readily apparent while maintaining its historic integrity.
Enjoy 2 park-like acres with stunning lush gardens.
This is nature at its best, with over 500 feet on beautiful Allens Creek. There's even room for potential development on the scenic acreage. This is truly an Allens Creek crown jewel.
You can have it all with this Pittsford paradise.
Steps away is the Country Club of Rochester and nearby Irondequoit Country Club and Oak Hill. Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 905 Allens Creek Road in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!